This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner. You'll see the brightness slider with a sun icon immediately. Tap and hold it to reveal fine controls. Once done, use your finger to drag the slider up or down to change brightness quickly. Make sure to check the immediate screen response as you move it. This shows the actual effect on apps and the home screen. If you can't open Control Center, check that gestures are enabled in settings and try again. Now refine brightness with the expanded control. Press and hold the slider to open a larger control surface. You can make smaller adjustments here, and you'll also see toggles for night shift and true tone, which affect perceived brightness and color temperature. Once adjusted, toggle true tone on to let the phone adapt to ambient light or off to keep a constant color. Make sure to watch for changes across different apps. Some video players may override brightness temporarily, so check there too. Finish in Settings, open Settings, then Display and Brightness to enable or disable auto brightness. This uses ambient sensors to adjust luminance automatically. You can also set dark mode or schedule night shift here to reduce eye strain. If the slider or auto brightness doesn't respond, restart your iPhone and test again. If still stuck, reset all settings as a last resort because it preserves data. One key troubleshooting tip: clean the top right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.